Here are the steps to creating your YouTube API key. You want to go to console.developers.google.com. So you'll sign in with the Gmail account and come over to projects up here, and you'll either create a new project or select from one that you have here. So we'll click on here, new project, give it a name, and click create. You'll watch the whirling up here as it's creating the project, and then come up to the top on the left, click the drop down arrow and select the project. Now you come to the hamburger stack on the upper left side, APIs and services, and click on library. Okay, in the library you can either type in your keyword or just scroll down and search, and we want the YouTube data API version 3, and you'll click enable. Okay, now we come over to the upper right and click the button for create credentials, and we need to choose the type of API that we're using, and we're going to select the version 3 again. Then the next option is where will you be calling the API from, and I'm going to select web browser. There are a number of other options here. And then the last is what data will you be accessing, public data or user data. And I'm going to select public data. Now, what credentials do I need? And then here is the API key. So just highlight and copy and click done. And that's all she wrote.